Alright, welcome back to Make the Machines. On today's episode, we're going to be doing some detailing out here in the front yard. Doing some very simple cleaning. We're going to be using some simple cleaners here. We got some tough stuff for the carpet, simple green for everything else, and then some glass cleaner for the windows. And I got two soft rags and paper towels. Got a strap vac to vacuum everything out, and a bag to throw everything in. Moldy foods down there, and definitely needed a cleaning for it gets sold or anything. So let's get to it. Alright, so when detailing and you're using chemicals and your first time you're detailing a vehicle that you don't know about, you never did detail before, it's very important to test the chemicals that you're using to make sure it doesn't have any bad reactions with what you're cleaning. So to do that, you find a spot that's usually somewhat hidden. So like under here would be a good test spot, or somewhere under the cover maybe that has plastic under there, which it doesn't. So but that's what you go for. So important thing with this is you don't want to spray it on there, because it can leave a spray or looking deformity after. So you spray it on the rag, and then from there then you wipe everything down. Alright, so GoPro overheated and turned off in the middle of cleaning it. I was running out of soap, so there's still a little bit spot, like right here. You see it's a little light brown. And then this corner over here, but Takes a little more scrubbing and soap. But for the most part, it actually came out pretty well. A lot better than what it was. There we are. Stickers removed, and you couldn't even tell it was there. A little razor blade to peel off the sticker, and then a little ether to get off the glue. Had to get a new bucket. Ours got left out in the sun. I found this one. It works out pretty well. Okay, so you see you got the streaking here. That's the importance of using proper soap and washing the car and drying it off at the same time instead of letting it sun dry like I did. See, so I'm just gonna take some Windex, wipe the clean out off, make it look better. Have clear windows. And as always, if you'd be so kind to like, comment, subscribe. It's a little video doing some minor detailing here on a couple cars I'm trying to sell and get it out of the yard, so because we got lots of cars. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time. See you then.